Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y72 5G, and let me share with you how to manage the dial pad tones on this device, so how to turn them off or on. So if you're not the biggest fan of this sound feedback after using the keypad, then let's enter the settings. Here we have to tap on sound. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom, and as you can see in the other sounds and vibrations section, on the very first position we've got dial pad tones. Right now they are active, so you are able to hear the characteristic sound after tapping on the particular number. So if you'd like to turn it off, just tap on this switch right here, and right now this option is inactive, so after getting back to the phone and after tapping on the dialer, you actually cannot hear anything. Of course you can turn it on again just by tapping on the switcher, but let me keep it turned off. So actually this is it. This is how to manage dial pad tones in your VIVO Y72 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.